Welcome to LCD TV. This stands for Linda's Cats Dogs Travel Vlogs. We just arrived in this forest. It's the same area where we were yesterday, so the dogs can still run a bit around here. It's raining slightly, but fortunately you won't notice that much in the forest. Oh wow, a snake! Is that a dangerous one? At first I only saw those two small white dots and I thought it was some kind of beetle. He moved really slowly, but I think he's looking for a hole where he can hide from us. I don't know if he can see well or perhaps hear us just better. And after this, we would like to visit the beach in the neighborhood of Aarhus. Usually I will hold my finger next to a mushroom so you can determine the size better. Otherwise you would wonder, is this a small or just a very large specimen? We are now at the entrance of this campsite, which is located directly on the sea, as we saw on Google Maps. So now we are walking around this campsite, and the reception was already closed, and there were two boxes. In the one, you would find the envelopes for people who already made the reservation, and in the other, you could take an envelope, and there you will find a map of the campsite. All the free spaces are indicated. So you can just pick any free space you like. Tomorrow morning, go to the reception to report which number you've chosen. We've arrived at the beach. There's also a shower. And there in the distance, I can see a ferry which goes to Sweden. This small path runs parallel to the beach. So now let's see if there's an entrance somewhere. Oh yes, here. Here we can go to the beach. The dogs can run around for a while and Las is about to launch the drone again.
Als we toch nog aan het strand, schatjes. Hoe leuk is dat? Kijk, een waterskier. We gaan hier even de drone oplaten. Ja, dat is een drone.
I think the sanitary building can be labeled as outdated, but fortunately it's all really clean. And I think the curtains are cozy. Maybe it would be nice to go here with our camper next year. I just went to the supermarket and got us some food. For me, it's a chicken salad. And for Lars, I bought a box with 2 wraps in it, also with chicken. So let's have a nice dinner in our car.
Ruiken, toch?
Ga maar in het gras, wees.
Yesterday I bought us these rolls. I didn't notice it at that moment, but now I saw there is carrot in it, so that must be healthy. We went to the swimming pool. First we had a shower, then we swam a little, Another shower. It's a bit cloudy, sometimes a bit of sun, and now we are having breakfast. Or perhaps you could better say we have brunch. There was really a lot of rain last night. We just came back in time, but it didn't stop till early in the morning. The positive thing is that the car is now nicely rinsed clean again. We're on the other side of the camping. You can see that just on the hill over there in the distance. And there are three small ponds here. One of them is a fish pond, and the dogs can run around a bit more, and Lars will launch the drone again here. We're standing over here now, and there's the small lake, and this is the large one. And there we were last week with our chairs, and Lars went there swimming. Oh, I think there are a few sheep over there. They came running to me. They have all different colors: dark brown, light brown, and beige. It's a shame, but the train won't go anymore this season, so perhaps you have to come back another time and make a tour on the train. We would have loved that.
I try my best to find you in the morning and the night. I know there's so much love, it's blinding, but still I never get it right. When I'm lost within the fire, will I find you in the flames? With you I know I'll never be alone. My God, when I'm feeling all alone. My God, will you carry me back home? If you made us to be happy, why do we always seem so sad? Will you stay here and remind us you're the only hope we have?
The geese are flying again. I think it's end of the season for them here. We've already swum 5 or 6 times, I think, so at least we made good use of the pool. Tonight we'll eat soup and a salad to go with it and some meatballs. It's called frikadelle. And in the Netherlands there's also frikandel, but that's a bit different with mayonnaise and ketchup and onions on it. Thank you for watching and I hope you like this video. If you do so, please give me a thumbs up. You could do me a big favor if you would like to subscribe for me for free by clicking the subscribe button below. And if you want to be kept informed when a new video is posted online, you can activate the bell below. I would love to read your possible reactions and hopefully I will see you again at the next episode of this series or at one of my other videos on this channel. Greetings from Linda, Lars and our doggies Kaylee, Ruby and Guilty.